Bonjour à tous!
Hello everyone and welcome to French with Love. I'm Nazlı. We are back again with our new quiz video.
Aujourd'hui encore, nous allons travailler ensemble pour apprendre et surtout jouer avec le français.
Like in our previous quiz videos, today we will practice French with 3 new questions and work on the answers together.
I will ask you a question in French and right after my wife Nazlı will explain to you why the correct answers are correct.
So, if you are ready, let's get started.
Voici la première question. Quel est l'ordre croissant? A. 5, 4, 3. B. 20, 30, 40. C. 2, 4, 1. D. 4, 4, 2. Vous avez 5 secondes.
The correct answer is B. In this question, we are asking you the ascending order. Be careful! Do not confuse this word with its namesake, which is a delicious French pastry that is usually eaten in the mornings for breakfast. So, only B gives us an ascending order: 20, 30, and 40.
Deuxième question. Le synonyme de bonjour est A. Au revoir. B. Salut. C. Bonsoir. D. Veuillez patienter. Vous avez 5 secondes.
The correct answer to this question is B. To answer this question correctly, we must first understand the question. The keyword here is synonym, which has the same meaning as in English. As you know, synonym means a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. So, because bonjour means hello, good morning, we need to find a word which has the similar meaning as bonjour. Bonsoir means good evening and it's only used in the evenings. So, this cannot be the correct answer. Salut means hi, so this is the correct answer. By the way, did you know that we use salut also to say goodbye in French? If no, now you know.
Dernière question. Choisissez la bonne orthographe. A. Toute la journée. B. Toute la journée. C. Toute la journée. D. Toute la journée. Vous avez 5 secondes.
The correct answer is D. Here the keyword is la journée, which means the day. Journée means day. La shows us that journée is a feminine singular noun. So the word we use in front of la journée must agree in gender and number with la journée. So far so good? Okay. So, as you can see, the words that are in front of la journée are the different forms of the same word tout, which means all, every. Please note, since as an adjective tout agrees in gender and number with the thing it refers to, here we can only use toute because it's the feminine singular form of it. Toute la journée means all day. For more information on this topic, we invite you to watch our videos on our website.
And it's already the end of today's video. We hope that you enjoyed it. For your questions, requests and suggestions, you can get in touch with us. We would like to hear from you.
The French language may be very difficult for you to understand right now, but don't forget, learning with our method, learning the most frequently used French words and expressions, and the most important grammar topics step by step will help you to better understand French and improve your level in French. We would be more than happy to welcome you in our world. When you are one of our VIP members, you will get instant and unlimited access to all our videos and ebooks. And a surprise! You will also get our quiz ebook for free. Visit our website now and start learning French with us.
With the help of our story, you will build skills and learn French step by step. And if you have any questions, we will always be here to help you and improve your French.
And that's it for today. Till next time, stay with love.